Okay, guys, also I'm going to hang on here because I'm leaning over. But I had the opportunity to go to the National Air and Space Museum and catch up with some kids who got to speak to an astronaut in outer space. I want you to check it out.
Station, this is Houston. Are you ready for the event?
One astronaut plus a group of young minds equals endless possibilities.
30 seconds.
And this is also the generation that may very well go to Mars, so we want to get them thinking that way.
Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics could land them in places like Mars or a classroom right here on Earth.
My favorite subject would be math. One, because I'd really like to be a math teacher, and two, I'm just very good with numbers.
This is 7:30.
The National Air and Space Museum offers a program called STEM in 30.
So STEM in 30 is a fast-paced television show for middle school students. Our job is to get kids really excited about math and science and technology and engineering, and this is a great way to do it by talking to an astronaut in space.
National Air and Space Museum. This is Mission Control Houston.
These kids are the exact right age to be the first person to step foot on Mars, and how cool would that be if them talking to Randy Bresnick today in space inspired them to become that person?
Hi, I'm Marilena. What do you do in your free time in space?
The sixth graders lined up to speak live with astronaut Randy Bresnick. Students asked him about everything from zero gravity to how does food taste in outer space.
We have different kinds of food up here. We got food that kind of comes in pouches, and then it lasts for a long time. We have food that comes freeze-dried.
The students were mesmerized. And who wouldn't want to eat a chocolate-coated peanut in space?
Oh, I'd love to go up to space. It's awesome.
Not everyone shares Dylan's enthusiasm for a future space mission. How would you feel about traveling into outer space?
Honestly, I'm terrified of heights, so I don't think I could do it.
Yeah, hey, she was adorable. But the thing is that the kids were excited about all the different programs there. But let me remind you guys, so October 18th is the next STEM in 30, so you can reach out to the Air and Space Museum if your student would like to get involved. All right, so my friend Paul here just gave me the best compliment ever. He says, this boat looks good on you. So why don't you come out today or tomorrow in the weekend, and you can try one on yourself. There's more from the Minneapolis Boat Show when we continue.